Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Casio Automatic Watch. So this is going to be the Casio Edifice, the first ever Casio Automatic or mechanical watch. And as you can see here, we have the Seiko NH35A movement, a very known and used watch movement by other micro brands out there as well. This watch is going to wind in two ways. So you can either use the automatic function because it has a rotor here on the back. That is why it is called an automatic. As you wear the watch, this rotor is going to spin, and that is going to do the winding for you. So as you can see, this metallic part is going to move around and it is going to wind the watch for you. That is why it is called an automatic. So you can put the watch on your wrist, set the time and date, and then everything is going to start once you move your wrist around. Now, because this is the NH35A movement, it also features the manual winding option. So this means that with the crown pushed all the way inside, you will be able to rotate the crown to the right, so upwards in a clockwise direction, and that is also going to wind the watch for you. Usually you can wind your watch between 20 and 40 times and your watch is going to be fully wound. So you are going to have your 40 hours of power reserve there. You cannot overwind these more modern automatic watches because they are protected against that, either from the wearing or from the manual winding. So guys, these are the two ways in which you can wind your Casio Automatic Watch. I'm also going to make a full tutorial on how to set the time and date because this is an automatic watch and you do not want to break the date wheel. So make sure to check it out, link in the description box below, guys. And also guys, if you are interested in purchasing a vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow, give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.